I'm Mark McKenzie with NSS Enterprises, and today we're going to look at our walk-behind scrubber, the Wrangler 2012. The Wrangler 2012 has a 20-inch scrub deck and holds 12 gallons of cleaning solution. There are two different Wrangler 2012 models. The Wrangler 2012 AB is a battery-powered pad assist scrubber, and the Wrangler 2012 DB is a battery-powered scrubber with a twist grip throttle control. The Wrangler 2012 has two scrub pressure settings, allowing you to choose between a more efficient floating head mode and a more effective lockdown mode, which is perfect for top scrubbing floor finish. Because areas around sinks can be tight, the Wrangler 2012 can be filled from either the front of the machine or the back of the machine. The Wrangler 2012 features simple switches and levers to control the machine, and all of the controls are marked with easy to recognize icons. The Wrangler 2012 opens wide to allow easy access to clean out the hygienic recovery tank and the debris filter. The battery pack is also easy to access for maintenance. Finally, the Wrangler 2012 is built tough for everyday use. The heavy-duty steel frame and stainless steel hardware make this machine a valuable asset you can rely on year after year. So those are some of the highlights that make the Wrangler 2012 a great option for your cleaning program. I'm Mark McKenzie. Thanks for watching.